Rebuilding connections. How to reestablish rapport. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very important aspect of communication: how to reestablish rapport. Whether it's with friends, family, colleagues, or even someone you've just met, maintaining a good rapport is essential for effective communication and building strong relationships. But what happens when that connection fades or is disrupted? That's exactly what we'll explore today. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to reconnecting and enhancing our communication skills. Firstly, let's break down what we mean by rapport. Rapport is a feeling of mutual understanding, trust, and connection between people. It's when you feel comfortable and in sync with someone else, allowing for smooth and effective communication. Building rapport can lead to more meaningful interactions and a stronger bond. But life happens, misunderstandings occur, and sometimes that connection gets lost. That's where the concept of reestablishing rapport comes into play. There are several reasons why rapport might break down. Miscommunications. Simple misunderstandings can escalate, leading to feelings of frustration or distrust. Conflicts. Disagreements or conflicts, if not resolved amicably, can damage the connection. Distance. Physical distance or lack of communication over time can make it harder to maintain rapport. Changes in life situations. Major life changes can also affect how we connect with others, sometimes putting a strain on our relationships. Understanding these reasons is the first step towards fixing the issue. 1. Acknowledge the issue. The first step in repairing any relationship is acknowledging that there's a problem that needs to be addressed. 2. Communicate openly. Reach out and express your desire to fix the misunderstanding. Honest and open communication is key. 3. Listen actively. Show that you're willing to listen to the other person's perspective without judgment. This helps rebuild trust. 4. Apologize if necessary. If you've played a part in the breakdown of rapport, a sincere apology can go a long way. 5. Find common ground. Reconnect over shared interests or experiences. This can reignite the sense of connection. 6. Be patient. Remember, rebuilding rapport doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort. Once you've reestablished rapport, it's important to maintain it. This involves regular communication. Keep the lines of communication open. Empathy. Always try to understand things from the other person's perspective. Respect boundaries. Understand and respect each other's boundaries. Positive interactions. Focus on positive and uplifting interactions. Maintaining rapport is an ongoing process, but it's worth the effort for the rewarding relationships it brings. Reestablishing and maintaining rapport are crucial skills in both our personal and professional lives. They allow us to navigate through misunderstandings and conflicts, leading to stronger, more meaningful connections. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights into how to rebuild those connections and enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.